Hi, thank you for coming to my Excel project. So in this project, I create a Excel dashboard based on the given sales data and given requirements. And today I will walk through how I did the Excel dashboard, what is given and shown in the dashboard, and what did I learn from the project. So I was given the data, sales data, and look at the requirements. We see that I need to compare sales from this month and last month and the growth rate multiple times during the requirements. So I think that I should use Power Pivot. I think it's a very powerful tool to show you. So here I paste the data into Power Pivot. And then I did some calculation for last month sales or quantity. So then later when I do pivot table, they will automatically calculate it for me. So I think it's a very powerful and useful tool for this project in Excel. For the rest, I kind of used pivot table and pivot chart. For example, I do some of the pivot tables in these different sheets to meet the requirements. And so different charts here, and then I copy paste those into my report here. So next, I would like to talk about what is in my dashboard. So here we got two tables represent the total sales and total units sold for this month and last month, and the growth rates. And here I've got the table represent the categories and subcategories. Also the sales in this month and last month and the growth rate. So you can compare. And then here we got some of the charts. This is the territory charts, bar charts, which compare different sales from different countries, and this is between this month and last month within a country. And here is the line graph showing the sales from February to June for two types of customers. So as we see that the SC is the sales contact, they usually have a big sales in the first day of the month, which represent by the very long orange line here, and the individual sales, which is slightly increased within the months. And here we got two pie charts, which shows the sales distribution between the no discount and the reseller. And here is the distribution sales within different groups of countries. And here we have 3D slicer, and it all syncs to all the tables and all the charts. For example, I put in here, and you can see the statistic, the sales number for this month on this day, and also the last month, which is April. And we also have category, subcategory slicer for this table right here. You can add multiple categories or subcategories. So that is my Excel dashboard and my projects. So lessons that I got from the projects is that I discovered the Power Pivot, which is a very powerful tool that can solve a lot of problems, and I also had chances to practice my pivot table and pivot chart, which I have been familiar with, and I think you combine both of them, and you can create a very good looking and organized dashboard for sales statistics. That is my presentation. Thank you for listening.